Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a trademark registration with Trademarkia, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Trademarkia website to begin your trademark registration process. Click on the Trademark Registration option from the main menu. Create an account or log in to your existing account on Trademarkia. Once logged in, select the type of trademark you wish to register. Enter the name or logo you would like to trademark in the search bar. Review the initial search results to check for existing trademarks similar to yours. Analyze the results carefully to determine if your trademark is available for registration. If your trademark is available, click on Start Application. Select your trademark class based on the goods or services you will offer. Provide necessary details about your trademark, including its description and usage. Upload any required files if you are registering a logo or design. Fill out the owner information accurately, including your name or business name. Review all the information entered to ensure accuracy and completeness. Proceed to the payment section and choose your preferred payment method. Confirm your payment details and submit your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your application. Monitor your email for updates on the progress of your trademark registration. If needed, respond to any office actions or requests for more information from the Trademark Office. Once your trademark is approved, you will receive your official registration certificate. Keep a record of your registration for future reference and protection. Stay informed about renewing your trademark as required to maintain your rights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.